Hello, and welcome to today's family program. I'm Dr. Albert Kitcher, and it's always a joy for us to be with you. And as you know, we are looking at the topic of teamwork. We have gone extensively, and today we are concluding. Well, before we get into what we have for the final session, I would like you, especially if you are here for the first time, to take time and also, watch later the previous programs that we have had. And everyone, please call a friend or, send the link to a friend so he can join the conversation with us. And we would like you to share, and even if you have any questions, you can always ask us. So we have looked at all the dynamics that are there to make us effective team, members. And we are concluding. In conclusion, I'll just give some few nuggets and go over a few of the things that we have dealt with already. So we have talked about the fact that it is teamwork that will help us. And there is this saying that I like so much, that teamwork makes the dream work. So as a team, we must make sure that we are caring for one another. So caring for one another is a prerequisite for a team that is on the way to becoming effective. The second thing is that the team must know and practice what is important. You don't just do anything anyhow, but you must know and you must practice the important things. Thirdly, a team should be going towards development of each member so they would grow together. So an effective team will also grow together. Point number 4. A team should have a chemistry that works. The relationship between members of the team should be strong. There should be trust, which is very evident, and also roles of each member of the team should be very, very clear. It is very important when you are part of a team to really not just know, but also live out these valuable points. Point number 5, members of the team will place their individual roles below the team's interests. And individuals, should make sure that they are not pursuing their own agenda. The team's agenda comes first when you are working with the team, because it takes, a team to win championship. Individuals will win trophies, but teams win championships. So be a team player and you will be very, very good in the things that you are doing. Point number 6 is that a team will realize that everybody plays a special role. There is nobody who is useless on a team. Once the person is on board the team, that means there is a role, there's a specific task, and it's important. Let us realize that, and that will help us treat each other the best way and the right way. Point number 7, a team should always have also reserve, just in case a member falls out, something happens, is sick and all that, then there would be a going in and fitting in. Just recently, we were doing something and one of the team members who plays a very pivotal, role wasn't around. And because of that, we, had some setbacks. And if we were to have people already on board, we would have been able to, take care of the situation that came up. And also, team members should know exactly where the team is at different, times. Being on a team does not require you to do too much than play your role, relate with others, and seek the team's goal. And that will make you a great team member. Number 9, a team member should be ready to pay whatever the price is. Price to pay. Your expectations, your inputs, these are things that you cannot do without. You must always make sure that you have the price being paid. And once you got the price paid, then you know that you are on the right track, doing the right things, and the right results are also guaranteed. Finally, number 10, a team member should be one who is saying yes, not just yes to everything, but yes to the right things, supports the right things. affirms the right things. So you should be a yes person in relation to the vision, the direction, the task at hand, and all that. So when we have yes people, we can do that much. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work. This has been beautiful time that we have gone through these sessions. Please, I would like you to spend time to go through all the sessions that we've had on effective teamwork in a go. Then you would really have a beautiful, what do you call it, information as to how a team starts, how a team is formed, the different things that you have to go through, and it will take maybe 40, 50 minutes and you will be done. So once again, this is today's family program and we are here for you. We will be continuing next week. We would have a new topic and it's going to be very important and very, very exciting for you. So make sure you become an effective team member and master all the things that you need to be on a team. Till we come to you again next week, I'm Dr. Albert Kitcher, and this has been your favorite program, Today's Family, and we will see you next week. Bye-bye.